Did you know that if you're a business owner spending 10 to 20 hours a week on manual tasks like writing proposals, generating reports, or onboarding clients, you're losing thousands of dollars in potential revenue every single month? And here's the hard truth. It's not going to fix itself. While you're stuck in that cycle, your competitors are using AI to do in minutes what's taking you hours. They're scaling faster, spending less, and leaving you behind. If that keeps you up at night, the next few minutes are going to change everything. Most business owners know they need AI. You've seen what it can do. You've watched the videos, you've heard the stories. But when you try to set it up yourself, one of three things happen. You buy a generic prompt course that teaches you theory, but leaves you completely on your own when it comes to actually building something. Or you try stitching together free YouTube tutorials and end up with a broken, disjointed process that creates more work than it saves. Or you hire a developer who charges $5,000 to $15,000 a month and still doesn't know your business well enough to solve the right problem. See, the real issue isn't that AI is too complicated. The real issue is that nobody has sat down with you, diagnosed your specific bottleneck, and built a system tailored to fix it. That's exactly what we do. My name's Charles Dove, founder of CNC Strategic Consulting. I consult on AI systems for some of the largest names in the industry. People like Harvey Mason Jr., Burn Investments, Hakesfield AI, and over 3,300 other business operators. I've seen every version of this problem. The overwhelmed consultant, the agency owner drowning in proposals, the coach manually running every task at $20K a month, wondering why growth feels impossible. And I built something specifically to fix it. It's called the 1-Hour AI Bottleneck Protocol powered by Charlie OS. Definitely a mouthful, but here's how it works. Most AI solutions focus on teaching you the tool. We do something completely different. We start by diagnosing your biggest revenue-killing bottleneck, not a generic one, yours specifically. Then, in a 60-minute live call, we deploy Charlie OS directly on your machine using a one-click install. So no coding, no complex API setup, and no months of trial and error. You walk away from the call with a fully operational AI system and a customized roadmap to solve the exact bottleneck costing you the most money. Tucker launched a software company and hit a ceiling at $5,000 a month. Everything was manual. No systems for lead capture, prospect qualification, or client onboarding. On our first strategy session, we installed his AI operating system and mapped out his automation roadmap. Within the first week, we implemented his foundational workflows to automate his client onboarding and sales follow-up. Tucker scaled from 5K to 20K in his first month without increasing operational complexity. Bruno Noguera had been wanting to implement AI into his agency for months, but was stuck in setup paralysis. In a single 15-minute live installation session, Bruno went from overwhelmed to fully operational. Within his first week, he had an automated proposal workflow that turned all of his sales call transcripts into fully customized client proposals in minutes. In his first month, he saved an estimated 20 hours on proposals alone. And Philip was spending about 20 to 30 hours a week manually managing repetitive operational tasks within his coaching business. After we installed Charlie OS and automated his sales recruiting, lead pre-qualification, and client onboarding, those processes ran largely on autopilot. Within 30 days, his business scaled from $20,000 a month to $60,000, all while dramatically reducing his operational load. Here's what you get when you join Charlie OS. We start with the AI Bottleneck Diagnostics engine. Before we even get on a call, our AI analyzes your revenue level and specific operational problems. It maps your exact path so we're not wasting a single minute when we meet. Then we do the 1-hour live installation. We get on a call together and deploy Charlie OS directly on your machine. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need a technical background. We handle the entire setup live with you. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not technical enough for this. That's exactly why we do the installation live with you. You're not going to touch the code. We handle it. The one-click install bypasses all of the technical complexity that normally stops people. You might be thinking, what if my business is too unique? Our diagnostics engine analyzes your specific situation before we start. If we can't solve your bottleneck, we'll tell you on the spot and we won't offer you the system. And you might be wondering, is this just another course? No. Courses teach you theory and leave you to figure out the rest. We diagnose your specific problem and install a working operating system on your machine to solve it. We do AI with you, not just for you. We install the system live with you on our first call. Within week 1, we hold a second call to make sure that the system is set up to solve your specific problem. Within 2 weeks, you'll have a working system that is collecting data and generating results. If your system isn't working for you, I will work for free until it does. That is our work for free until it works guarantee. We can offer that because we've done this over 3,300 times. The protocol works. Below this video, there's a button to book your free AI bottleneck strategy call. On that call, we will complete the diagnostic together, map your exact revenue bottleneck, and show you what the first 30 days with Charlie OS would look like for your business. If it's a fit, we move forward. If not, you walk away with a clear idea of where your business is leaking time and money. Either way, you win. Click below, book the call, and I'll see you on the inside.